was the my book signing event at QIA. So many wonderful vendors there. And then we, of course, went to Silly Owls and had pizza with our friends. And I got back out to camp and realized that I didn't go get water or dump. And today we are going to the Beer Belly's place later this afternoon to see the Cassandra Long Band. So I'm gonna go dump and get water and then come back so that Jana and I can ride into town together.
Today is a good day to live.
Okay, well that took longer than I thought. Plus I had my monthly budget call with my friend Kathy, and I just pulled over to do that. So I'm actually not going to make it back out to camp to ride back in with Frugal. I am going to meet her at Beer Belly's. That's the way of it some days. Yeah, you can put your arm around me anytime. You guys, look what I drug up in the parking lot. Rex, the Lone Star Rider, and who is that? That would be C-Dub's Journey. This is Rex's first time to Beer Belly. So it's so wonderful to have you here.
Yeah, it is. She tried to lock me in up in her RV.
I was going to kidnap him. All right, you go on in. And back there is Frugal somewhere.
There's Frugal.
There she is. Yeah, you are.
Surrounded with good-looking.
You are. That's awesomeness. Thanks, guys.
I have an autographed copy that I'm super proud to have. Thank you, Debra. So if you guys could check her out online, she's on Amazon as well, all of her series that she has. They're super cool. She keeps you wanting to read more. So if you get a chance, Debra Dickinson, check her out.
Thank you, sweetheart. Woo!